Guys, I got one thing from the mail, and what's this? And I don't know what it is. It looks like worms, red worms, and it's great. So stop it! Oh, sorry. Hold on. And this looks like red worms, and it's a little container, and you're gonna open it. Ew, what is that? What is that? If you know in the comments below, tell me what is this. I know none of you do not know what this is. Do not know what this is. It's like so disgusting. This doesn't look like slime at all. Look. Sorry. It doesn't look like slime. Okay, so let's just take that out. Does it look? What is what is that? You know? Ew, that's disgusting. That's real disgusting. Ew, okay. That was the worst. Oh, this one. Yeah, that is real disgusting slime. I don't like it. Okay. And this slime does not look like slime. Okay, this doesn't look like slime at all. Look. This is like freaking brains. This looks like a freaking... What the heck? I'm almost gonna lose all my muscles. What is this? It doesn't stick together or nothing. What? I stand one. What color is this? Hot red pink. I mean, not that color. What the heck? What the heck? Just weird. Really? I don't know where to wear. I asked for hot pink. Like, give me this ugly freaking color, and I don't. This ugly freaking color. This ugly freaking color. Yeah. So just give me this ugly freaking color, and look what the freak is this. Okay. What the heck is this color? What the heck? I don't want this kind of shitty colored. This looks like black. Like, not black. Like a freaking brains. This looks like freaking brains. Like, these look like freaking brains. Ew, this is disgusting. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back in this little thing. And don't even like it. Get that away from me. Don't. And I also got this today. What? Like, show y'all? I mean, I did show y'all, but like, this stupid thing is dumb. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, this was for $1 freaking dollar. And I don't like it. So that's ugly. Oh, look, pretty.